In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install and use Claude Code CLI from setup to automation. We'll start by getting the CLI installed. On Linux or macOS, open your terminal and run curl bsl https claude.com install.esh bash. On Windows, open PowerShell and run iwr https /claude.com install.ps1 useb ix. When that finishes, confirm everything worked by typing Claude version. Seeing a version number means you're good to go. Next, log in and authenticate. Type Claude login in your terminal. When prompted, enter your email. Check your email or SMS for a verification code, paste that code back into the terminal, and press enter. You should see a confirmation that the login was successful. Now you can start an interactive session by simply typing Claude. This opens a REPL-style chat where you can talk directly to Claude Code. Type prompts naturally like scaffold a Node.js plus React project with authentication and dashboard. Clear, specific instructions help Claude produce accurate scaffolding and configuration. Before generating files, create a dedicated project folder so the CLI can manage context cleanly. Run mkdir myproject, then cd myproject. Keep all related files inside this folder so Claude can track and update them consistently. For multi-file projects, consider using MCP. Initialize it with Claude MCP init context 7, then load your current directory with Claude MCP load. This gives Claude memory across files, reduces repeated explanations, and helps prevent cross-file mistakes, especially useful for larger apps. You can adjust the context number later if your project grows. To generate new code, describe the file you want, such as create a React login page with email, password validation, and Tailwind CS. To modify existing files, be direct. For example, update backend/API.js to add JWT authentication and password hashing. Claude CLI will write changes directly into your project folder, so review diffs and run your app frequently. When you want to pause and come back, save your session with